da vecchia tradizione pro. Hey guys, today we are sampling this Italian little snack food. This is a Taralli. It's a popular within the it's popular in the southern half of Italy. Thank you, Wiki. And they can be sweet or savory. This is a chili brand, a chili flavor. Chili. Okay, I picked it up. I was shopping today and I saw it. It's a nice box. It caught my eye. So I said, why not buy? Alright, let's find out. Made in Italy. Alright. Okay. Here we go. Oh, check it out. Nice box full of these guys. It looks almost like a smallish, tiny pretzel. Ouch. Alright, here we go. It's chili, so it should be a little spicy, right? Or so we hope. Give it a sniff. I can't smell any chili. Taste is okay. The outside is kind of oh, there it is, a small little chili flavor. It is a little spicy, very good, but the outside is very shiny and smooth, like a pretzel. The inside, well, hold on, you can see it looks like that, but it's a tasty snack. If you like your breadsticks or cracker type savory items, this guy is the ticket. Alright, well done, Italy. Once again, that was Taralli. Red pepper flavor. Very nice.